Hey guys, my name's Taylor Andrews. I'm from Blue Earth, Minnesota. I'm 27 years old. I currently work as a welder right now at Winnebago Manufacturing. Uh, we build generator frames they'll go on army ships, trains, any, mostly army stuff, then trailers, stuff like that. I got into welding straight out of high school. My dad got me a summer job there for where I worked 4 and 5 summers while I went to school. I first went to school at Minnesota West Worthington, and I played football there, and I also wrestled. I played linebacker and fullback, and I wrestled at 197 pounds. I also graduated with 2 degrees there. One, just your liberal arts degree, and then the next one, I graduated with a business management degree. After that, I took a year off of school, trying to figure out what I want to do. And that's where I found fitness, exercise, and decided to go back to school at Minnesota State Mankato and got my bachelor's degree in exercise science. I interned at a CrossFit gym there for 2 semesters and loved it, every minute of it. Decided I wanted to be a strength and conditioning coach and had a job offer, but it didn't work out. So then I decided to take my welding job back, and that's where I've been ever since. I decided I want to be in the healthcare field and am trying to get into chiropractic school, which is the reason I'm taking this class, because I need the 2 prerequisites of chemistry. So right after I take General Chemistry 1, I'll jump right back into General Chemistry 2, and hopefully be able to attend Northwestern University in Bloomington, Minnesota after that. Family-wise, I have one brother and one sister who has, so then I have she has 2 daughters, so I have 2 nieces, and they can be a handful at times, but that's the best part about being an uncle. I can always hand them back to her. Hobbies-wise, I enjoy deer hunting the most. Every fall, you can catch me at a deer stand. Bow, shotgun, and muzzleloader. I also pheasant hunt some and duck hunt. I enjoy watching football and wrestling on TV. I also enjoy watching MMA. So every Saturday, you can usually come to my place and catch me watching the fights or finding a way to watch them. I also enjoy podcasts. Big listener of the Joe Rogan podcast, which is what I usually also do in my free time. It's about all I got. I'm looking forward to learning with the rest of you, and hope everyone has a good day.